Indian filter coffee, of course, uses an Indian coffee filter. It's a reusable metal filter traditionally made from brass, but stainless steel is also common today. I want to stress that the filter is not the only difference between Indian coffee and Western coffee, but it's where we'll start today. The filter is made up of 4 parts: the base that collects the coffee decoction, the filter that holds the coffee grounds, a small press that compacts the coffee grounds before the water is added, and a lid to keep the steam in the filter while the coffee brews. Now that we talked about the filter, here are the ingredients you need to make a traditional South Indian filter coffee at home. If you want a written recipe, go to cooklikeanauntie.com. I also have links in the description where you can buy the ingredients and filter for this recipe. Start by heating 2 cups of water to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. You want the water below the boiling point because using water that's too hot makes the coffee extra bitter. This is easy if you have a kettle with a temperature setting. If not, you can heat the water in a pot. Bring the water to a rolling boil and then let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. While the water is heating up, put 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds in the filter. Then take the press and gently drop it onto the grounds from about an inch above. Gravity will do the work to press the grounds for you. It's important to find Indian filter coffee grounds as they're ground to the correct size for the holes in the filter. Also, Indian coffee grounds are actually a blend of Arabica coffee beans and chicory root. It's usually some percentage like 80% coffee to 20% chicory, but that can vary by the brand. The chicory adds a unique taste for Indian coffee that you won't get with ordinary Western coffee blends. If you're interested to learn more about the specifics and history of South Indian filter coffee, listen to the Cook Like an Auntie podcast, which just released an episode about this topic. Link in the description below. After the water reaches temperature, pour it into the filter so it fills near the top of the filter. Then put the lid on top. If you don't have a filter, you can use a regular pour-over coffee filter for now. If you like the taste of the coffee chicory blend, then you can get a metal Indian coffee filter later. Let the coffee brew. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. Many Indian households brew the coffee overnight and then complete the remaining steps in the morning. While the coffee is brewing, let's boil the milk. Boiling the milk gives a creamier and sweeter coffee. Put 2 cups of milk in a saucepan and then pour it over medium heat. Wait for the milk to boil. This will take a few minutes. You will see the milk rise up when it boils. Turn off the heat. After the coffee decoction is done, pour it into your coffee cup. Traditionally, Indians drink their coffee from stainless steel tumblers, but you can use a regular Western mug too. You want the coffee to fill about half the cup. Then pour the milk on top to fill the remainder of the mug. If you want, you can add sugar, honey, or jaggery now. Mix everything together and enjoy your coffee. To summarize the differences between South Indian filter coffee and traditional Western coffee, the coffee grounds are blended with chicory root. The brewing water is around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Boil the milk that you'll add to the coffee. Use an Indian coffee filter. Remember, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. This channel focuses on traditional, homemade Indian food in North America. Thanks for watching and see you next time.